Guys, hope you are all doing great. In this tutorial I will show you how to download and install Webex software on macOS. Are you ready? Let's get started. First you should open your browser and type Webex download. The first link, this is the official website where you can download this software. Click on that. If you have silicon chips, you should download this one. If you have Intel chips, you should download this one. So I already downloaded the software, so I'm not going to download again. So now I am going to into download folder and show you how to install it. Okay, right click on that, click open, and then after that you should drag and drop into application folders. That's how you can install the software on macOS. If you want to check whether it has been installed successfully or not, just go to search menu and search for the software. As you can see, it has been installed successfully. That's it, guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.